I don't leave so quick. Fuck. I thought I'd still be in there.
They want to talk to you too.
He's been humming the entire time he's been sleeping for like 45 minutes.
Fucking nuts.